You must have seen 100 affirmation posts on Instagram or heard a pop spirituality loving friend speak about affirmations. But you probably dismissed it all along as some sort of mumbo jumbo. But turns out, even scientifically, affirmations can work well, sort of. HT recently published an article which shared that as per a study, affirmations activate the reward centers in our brain. It even quotes a psychologist as saying that in times of stress or when things don't go as planned, affirmations can give you a safe space. Plus, over time, it can even help you change your outlook towards life. But what is an effective affirmation really? Researchers in Carnegie Mellon believe it is about really identifying what are the things in yourself that you really value, rather than going for broad or generic ones or something completely unrelated to you. And yes, the more concrete, the better. The best affirmations, therefore, are those that are consistent with your truth and values. Now, the more rational ones among you must be thinking, so what if one or two researchers said it? Surely there's no scientific way to explain it. Actually, there kinda is. Neuroplasticity. Our brain has this remarkable ability to change and adapt to circumstances during different episodes in our life. So when we say that I'm going to get through this presentation or I'm going to nail that audition, our brain sometimes can't distinguish between perception and reality. What that means is creating a mental image of a positive outcome activates the same areas of our brain that would get activated if the event had actually occurred. Regularly saying these affirmations to yourself will mean your brain starts considering them as facts. That's using neuroplasticity to better outcomes for yourself, your health, family, and career. Okay, so that's a good enough reason to start doing affirmations. But what would be some do's and don'ts? First, don't just Google random affirmations. The best affirmations are those that work according to your specific situation, your personality, your values, and your truth. Second, it's best to use present tense and base them on today. Instead of saying, I will be happy, say, I'm happy today. Third, the best time for affirmations is just getting up from bed or while going to bed. Fourth, don't do toxic positivity. You know everything is amazing even when it's not. Make it real and acknowledge the difficulties. I'm strong enough to handle what's happening to me right now. My feelings make me uncomfortable right now, but I can accept them. A daily affirmation journey can be very rewarding in the long run. For more self-improvement related videos, keep following our space.